Hello everyone. Seeing God and His beauty in math. In this video, we are going to see chapter 7 Matrices and Determinants. Now we are going to see the remaining sums in exercise 7.2. Question number 1. Prove that determinant of a square bc ac plus c square as first row, a square plus ab b square ac as second row, ab b square plus bc c square as third row. Now I am going to take A from column 1, B from column 2, C from column 3. Then we get A from column 1, B from column 2, C from column 3. Then we have inside the determinant A plus B, B. So we have taken A from column 1. Now we are going to take B from column 2. Then we have in the second column C, B, B plus C. Third column we are going to take C. Then we have in the third column A plus C, A, C. Next I am going to find R1. I am going to change R1. R1 gives R1 minus R2. R2 as R2 minus R3. First R1 place, I am going to change R1 minus R2. R1 minus R2, A minus of A plus B is minus B. C minus B. A plus C minus A. A plus C minus A. Plus A minus A will be cancelled. Then we have C. R2 minus R3. A plus B minus B. A plus B minus B. Plus B minus B will be cancelled. Then we have A, B, minus of B plus is minus B minus C. Plus B minus B will be cancelled. Then we have minus C, A minus C. So we have to write third row as it is. B, B plus C, C is equal to A, B, C. Inside the determinant minus B, C minus B, C. A minus C, A minus C, B, B plus C, C. So now I am going to add R1 and R3. I am going to add R1 plus R3. I am going to change row 1. If I am adding R1 plus R3 minus B plus B will be cancelled. Then we have 0. C minus B plus B plus C. Plus B minus B will be cancelled. C plus C is 2C. R1 plus R3. C plus C is 2C. So now we have to write second row and third row as it is. A minus C, A minus C, B, B plus C, C. Taking 2C as a common factor from R1, we get ABC 2C. Since we have taken 2C, row 1 will become 0, 1, 1. Row 2 and row 3 you write as it is. Now, next what I am going to do? I am going to do changes in column 2. Column 2 minus column 3. So, write column 1 as it is. 0, A, B. Column 2 minus column 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. Minus C. Minus of A minus C is minus A plus C. Plus C minus C will be cancelled. We get minus A. B plus C. B plus C minus C. Plus C minus C will be cancelled. Then we have B. Column 3 we have to write as it is. Now I am going to expand this one along R1. Then we get ABC 2C 0. First element is 0. So we have to delete the first row and the first column. We have as a submatrix minus A minus C, B, C. Next one, it stands in the place of 0 stands in the place of 1, 2. That means you have to delete the first row, second column. But you will get here negative 0 because 1, 1 is an even number. So we have to use positive sign. A1, 2 means it's an odd number. So we have to write negative sign. Minus 0. So delete the first row and the second column. We have submatrices A minus C, B, C. Plus. Why I am using here plus sign means 1 stands in the place of A, 1, 3. 1 plus 3 is even number. So we have to use here positive sign. 1 into, that means it stands in first row, third column. So we have to delete the first row and third column. We have the submatrices A minus A, B, B is equal to ABC into 2C. 0 of 2 cross matrix is 0. Again 0 of 2 cross matrix is 0 plus 1. AB plus AB. ABC which gives ABC 2C. 1 into AB plus AB is 2AB. Now we have to multiply everything. 2 2s are 4. A into A is A square. B into B is B square. C into C is C square. So hence proved. Question number 2. Prove that. Inside the determinant we have 1 plus A, 1, 1 as first row, 1, 1 plus B, 1 as second row, 1, 1, 1 plus C as third row. We need to prove it as ABC into 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. So I am going to make changes in R1 and R2. So write R3 as it is. R1 is R1 minus R2. 1 plus A minus 1. 1 and 1 will be cancelled. We will get A. R1 minus R2. 1 minus of 1 plus B is minus 1 minus B. Plus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled. Then we have here minus B. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now I am going to make changes in second row. R2 minus R3. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 plus B. 1 plus B minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled. Then we have B. 1 minus 1 plus C is minus 1 minus C. Plus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled. We get minus C. Expanding along R1. So A1 one place we have A. So we have here positive sign. A12 place minus B minus sign. A13 place positive. A21 is negative. A22 is positive. A23 is negative. A31 is positive. A32 is negative. A33 is positive. So we need to add the number. If you are getting even number, then we have to use positive sign. If you are getting odd number, then we have to use negative sign. Now I am going to expand along R1. So A. So A stands in the place of A11. So we have to delete the first row and the first column. We have the submatrices B minus C, 1, 1 plus C. Then already you have negative sign. Minus and minus will become plus. It stands in the place of 1, 2. That means you have to delete first row and second column. We have 2 cross 2 matrices 0 minus C, 1, 1 plus C. Then 0 is in 1, 3 place. So it is positive. So we have to delete first row and third column. We have submatrix, that is 2 cross 2 matrix 0, B, 1, 1. Now A, B into 1 plus C. B into 1 plus C minus C. 1 into minus C is minus C. Minus of minus C is plus. Plus B. 0 into 1 plus C is 0. 1 into minus C is minus C. So minus and minus will become plus C. Plus 0 into 2 cross matrix is 0. A into b into 1 plus c. b into 1 plus c is b plus bc plus c plus b. 0 plus c is c. b into c is bc plus 0. So now I am going to multiply inside a. Then we have ab plus abc plus ac plus bc. Now I am going to take ABC commonly out. When I am taking ABC commonly out, I will have 1 by C plus the second term we are going to take ABC, so it will become 1. Third also we are taking ABC, so it will become 1 by B. Here also if we are taking ABC, we have 1 by A. So we have to prove this determinant is equal to ABC into 1 by C plus 1 by B plus 1 by A. That only we need to prove it. Question number 3. Show that x plus 2a, y plus 2b, z plus 2c as first row, x, y, z as second row, a, b, c as third row that we are having in the determinant. See the first row we have sum of two terms. So I am going to write this one in the form of two determinants. So first term I am writing in the first determinant, that is x, y, z in the first row. Second row and third row you write as it is. The second term I am going to write in the second determinant, that is 2a, 2b, 2c as first row. Second row and third row you write as it is. Now see here, R1 and R2 are identical. R1 and R2 are identical, so it will become 0. Taking 2 from R1, then we have 2 into A, B, C, X, Y, Z, A, B, C. Now see the second determinant. The second determinant, first row and third row are identical since R1 and R3 are identical. The second determinant also 0. So 2 into 0. So we get answer is equal to 0. That only we need to prove it. So it is equal to RHS. Hence proved.
Now it's time for math puzzle. Place these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in 9 empty boxes. We need to get first row as 8, second row as 4, third row as 8. Column 3 as 2, column 2 as 3, column 1 as 8. Don't repeat the numbers. 9 plus 7 equal to 16. 16 minus 8 equal to 8. 6 minus 2 equal to 4. 4 into 1 equal to 4. 5 minus 3 equal to 2. 2 into 4 equal to 8. Now column 3. 8 into 1 equal to 8. 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. 7 plus 2 equal to 9. 9 divided by 3 equal to 3. 9 minus 6 equal to 3. 3 plus 5 equal to 8. Do you like this puzzle? It's really interesting.
Question number 4. Find the value of 1 log y with base x, log z with base x, log x with base y, 1 log z with base y, log x with base z, log y with base z, 1 if x, y, z is not equal to 1. Now I am going to expand the determinant along R1. So 1 stands in the place of A11, so we have to use here positive signs because 1 plus 1 is even number. Log y with base x stands in the place of A12. 1 plus 2 is odd number, that is 3. So we have to use here negative sign. Log zx is in A13. 1 plus 3 is 4. It's an even number, so we have to use here positive sign. Now it stands in 1 ones. That means you have to delete the first row and the first column. Then we have 2 cross 2 matrix. 1 log z with base y, log y with base z, 1. And A1, 2. That means you have to delete the first row and the second column. So we will get negative sign, log y with base x. Then we have 2 cross 2 log x with base y, log x with base z, log z with base y, 1. Then A1, 3. So delete the first row and the third column. Then we have 2 cross 2 matrix, log x with base y, 1, log x with base z, log y with base z. Is equal to 1 into 1 is 1, 1 minus log z with base y into log y with base z. By the rule of logarithm, log am log a with base m. If it is there, which is equal to 1, logarithmic value and base values are same, then it is equal to 1. Then we have 1 minus, so we will get this also 1 minus log xy into log x with base y minus, here also we have log z and z. So log x with base y plus log z with base x. Here also we will get log x with base z minus log x with base z. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 into 0, 0 minus log y with base x. So log x with base y minus log x with base y will be cancelled. It will also become 0. Plus log z with base x. Log z with base x. Log x with base z minus log x with base z, which also will be cancelled. Then we have 0. 1 into 0, 0. Logarithmic values, log y with base x into 0 also 0. Log z with base x into 0 also 0. That we are getting the answer is equal to 0. Question number 5. Without expanding, evaluate the following determinants. Inside the determinant we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 6x, 9x, 12x. Now I am going to take 3x from row 3. Then we get, write row 1, row 2 as it is. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. After taking 3x, we have 2, 3, 4. Now see, row 1 and row 3 are identical. Since row 1 and row 3 are same, then the determinant will become 0. We have taken 3x commonly out from row 3. 3x into 0. Row 1 and row 3 are identical. Then the determinant value of the determinant will become 0. 3x into 0 which is equal to 0. Second subdivision, inside the determinant we have x plus y, y plus z, z plus x as first row, z, x, y as second row, 1, 1, 1 as third row. It's very important 3-mark question. So now what I am going to do, I am going to add R1 plus R2. I am going to change R1. So write R2 and R3 as it is. R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2, x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z. X plus y plus z. Taking x plus y plus z from R1, we get x plus y plus z into, after taking x plus y plus z from R1, then R1 will become 1, 1, 1. Write R2 as it is. R3 also. Now see, R1 and R3 are identical. Since R1 and R3 are identical, then the value of the determinant will become 0. Then we have x plus y plus z into 0 which is equal to 0. It's very important 3-mark question. Question number 6. If lambda equal to minus 2, determine the value of this determinant. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to substitute in the place of lambda as minus 2. Then we have first row 0, 2 into minus 2, minus 4, 1. Lambda square, minus 2 the whole square is 4, 0, 3 lambda square plus 1. 3 into minus 2 the whole square plus 1, which gives 2 square, minus 2 the whole square is 4, 4 into 3, 12, 12 plus 1 which is equal to 13, minus 1, 6 into minus 2 that is 6 lambda minus 1, 6 into minus 2 minus 1, 6 into minus 2 is minus 12 minus 1 which gives minus 13, 0. Expanding along R1. So we have R1, first element is 0. It stands in the place of A11. So it is positive 0. So delete the first row, first column. We have 2 cross 2 matrices 0, 13, minus 13, 0. Minus 4 is in A12. So we have to use the sign as negative. Minus and minus will become plus, plus 4. You need to delete the first row and second column. We have 2 cross 2 matrices 4, 13, minus 1, 0. And 1 is in 1, 3. So we have to use the sign plus 1. Delete the first row and third column. We have 2 cross 2 matrices 4, 0, minus 1, minus 13, which is equal to 0. 0 into 0 is 0. Minus 13 into 13 is minus 169. So minus and minus will become plus 169 plus 4. 0 into 4 is 0. Minus 1 into 13 is minus 13. Minus of minus 13 is plus 13 plus 1. 4 into minus 13. 4 into minus 13. Minus and minus will become plus. 1 into 0 is 0. 0 into 169 is 0. 4 into 13 is 52 plus 4 into minus 13. So it will become minus 52. So plus 52 minus 52 will be cancelled. Then we are getting the answer as 0. Question number 7. If A is a square matrix and determinant of A equal to 2, find the value of determinant of A transpose. We know that determinant of A is equal to determinant of A transpose. Therefore, determinant of A transpose is also equal to 2. Now we need to find the value of determinant of A transpose. Determinant of A transpose can be written as determinant of A into determinant of A transpose. The determinant of A value is 2. Determinant of A transpose is also 2. 2 into 2 which is equal to 4. Question number 8. If A and B are square matrices of order 3 such that determinant of A equal to minus 1 and determinant of B equal to 3, find the value of determinant of 3AB. Given determinant of A equal to minus 1, determinant of B equal to 3. Even A and B are square matrices of order 3. Therefore, determinant of KAB which is equal to K cube determinant of AB. Since we have order as 3, we get K cube determinant of AB. Here, K equal to 3. Here the order is 3, K equal to 3. Therefore, determinant of 3AB which is equal to K cube. K is 3. 3 cube determinant of AB. 3 cube is 27. Determinant of AB can be written as determinant of A, determinant of B. We know that determinant of A is minus 1. Determinant of B is 3. So plus minus 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 plus is minus. 27 into 1, 27. 27 into 3 is 81. So we are getting answer determinant of 3AB is equal to minus 81. Hope you have understood this. Practice all the problems what I taught today. Thank you.